Hey guys, welcome to Linkseride channel. My name is Ray. Today I will show you a brand new electric scooter. Come on, let's go. Firstly, we need to power on the scooter. You see, there are 5 levels of throttle to help you accelerate when riding. The scooter is equipped with a high-quality LED headlight. And also one of the most important elements is the battery. The battery is integrated under the pedal plate. It is a maximum 30 ampere hours battery which helps people ride a long distance. The scooter has a very sturdy front suspension, and the shock can be locked if necessary. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and give us a thumb up. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.